Okay, so I recorded a whole video explaining to you that it was raining and la da 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 da, and then I was gonna go dance in the rain, and then I ran out and I did this little dance in the rain, and it didn't even work, and the little dance attracted my neighbors, which is all on film, and all my neighbors, well, 2 of them, came over and they were like, "What's up?" And then we went and got coffee, and after we had coffee, this is what happened. No, but really, this is what happened.
What is this nonsense?
Hi guys! When I was dancing in the rain, look who I found! Friends!
Hi. It's gonna be on the internet.
Yeah.
Score!
These are my neighbors. We grew up together.
Oh, it's neighbors, not, you know, like best friends or anything.
We're homies. We go way back.
Just take off your hood. It's going on the internet.
He's like a little hood in the back of the car, chilling like this. Whenever I was like, this is my friend, he was like, little Derek.
Just peek over. You don't want to be on the internet. It's like the Kenny of the group.
The who?
The Kenny.
Isn't it Sharon?
From South Park.
Oh, I watch not South Park.
Everyone knows who Kenny is. People who are going to watch... Also good, but people who watch this are going to know who Kenny is. And that's the Kenny.
People on my YouTube channel don't watch them.
I'm pretty sure they do.
We fought Starbucks.
You having fun there? Yeah, because we're totally driving right now.
spilled it on his face, and I think he still has some on his forehead.
My
right
eye.
There. Right there. Yep. Derek, what are you doing?
What am I doing?
Yeah, whatever. That's what showers are for, right, Holly? Are you trying to show the Starbucks logo?
What's a shower?
No, I'm trying to show him what I ordered, but I can't. No.
Why don't you just say, like...
Peppermint soy white chocolate mocha! This guy named Adam wrote this out, but he doesn't know that I know who he is. It's a secret. He goes where I go to work at.
Don't be so afraid, little runner.
Yeah, I get used to it.
How you doing?
I'm wearing a Ninja Turtle shirt.
And I'm jealous.
You're a terrorist.
You're such a dork.
You're a terrorist. You're a
Nah,
terrorist.
No, my card's a terrorist.
Hey, look, there's a little monkey.
Monkey?
It's carved out of a coconut.
Monkey?
It's on the floor, I think. You find it? I just saw it.
Baby wipes.
It should be right there.
Oh.
There it is.
Coca monkey.
Coca monkey. Same as Kalikina.
Score! He's about to get He's about to get attacked by a Coca monkey unless he participates.
Participate in our film.
Dude, this is going on the internet. Swallowing. I just got my wisdom tooth pulled out.
What are you doing?
You have a pointy nose. Is it? Oh.
Right there. Look at the monkeys just sitting there like, I know. Where are you? Who's Derek?
My
Feral?
Are you leaving?
Sir. It's the videos that we recorded.
No, I'm mad at you. Oh, hello. We're outside and there's a new kid on the block. Hey guys! Dereck doesn't have a shirt on. Double rainbow! Can you see it?
Yeah, it's like right there. It's right there. There's the first one and there's the second one. Like right behind that pine tree and right over that tree over there. It needs to go up a bit, I believe.
I don't know.
Right over there and right over there.
That's a really cool camera.
Anyways,
That's it.
Oh.
here's our new friend. He's sick.
New friend.
Well, you were in the you were in the video earlier.
Since we were like 5, so it's kind of like...
Yeah.
You were in the video
It's
earlier.
Not fair. It's not
Who's that
fair.
little kid with the umbrella?
Not a kid, I think that's...
That's a little kid with an umbrella.
Hey, unguarded small child.
Let's get it. I'm wet. And I don't have shoes on.
It's because you're crazy.
So now I smell like sewer water and I have to take a shower before church, and that leaves me 20 minutes. So I have to hurry. I love the rain. So, it's been a good day. Can't wait for more. Bring it on, baby. Ninja Turtle style.
The rainbow. It's very faint. Right here.
Oh, I see it.
See it?
No! Oh, it's getting!
Oh, good.